In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can restart your GTA 5 online from the very beginning. This is actually super easy to do, but before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now there's two methods to do this, and we're going to be going over both of them. The first thing you're going to want to do is just open up the pause or options menu and go ahead and go over to the online tab and scroll down on here, and you're going to see either a swap character option or manage characters option here. Select this, and this will take you out of your current session and bring you to the character lineup screen. From here, you can see your main character, and you'll also see the option to create a new character or customize a new character. Simply go ahead and select new character and go through the character creator, and you'll be starting GTA Online again from the very beginning. The second method is by logging out of GTA 5 and unlinking your Rockstar Games account from this. If you are playing on console, just go to the Rockstar Games website on your phone or PC. If you're on PC, just open up a new tab and just go to Rockstar Games. And once you are on here, you'll be able to unlock your PlayStation account or your Microsoft or Xbox account, and after doing so, relaunch GTA 5, and you'll have the option to either create a new Rockstar Games account, which will essentially just go ahead and restart you from scratch, or sign into another Rockstar Games account, which will obviously start you wherever that account is. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.